Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share another Halloween craft for my Halloween series all month of August. And so I was inspired by TYS Creates. Last year she sent me some flowers kind of like this. I think there. She sent me these flowers here that are so chunky and layered, and I just love them. So I tried to make some myself. And so what I did, this is the only flower punch that I have. It is a Fisker's punch, however it's not working very well, so let's see. But what I did was punch out a few of these, how many ever layers I want. And I've got some here that I've already punched out. And what I did was just fold, not precisely either, just fold down the middle of each petal as so. Last one. And then I did, do it in various papers, as well as what is this called? Vellum, as well as some vellum. So let me get my glue gun. Ooh. Like, as I burn myself. So we're going to start off with those on the bottom. And then you just layer them staggered. And last one. So that's what it looks like, and then you just pick a center. The popular centers have been which I think this is too big. Way. You can use those. I have some cotton ball type of circles. Let me see what I want to use. Okay, so I chose these styrofoam balls I had in some packaging that was close by. And you just, you can cut it in half, or you can use the whole circle. I cut it in half. So there you go. So that's how I made these. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel to join me on my crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!